Hey y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making crab cakes. So first let's start in a bowl. We're going to add some mayo. And then after that we're going to go ahead and add some fancy Dijon mustard. This mustard is my favorite. I love it so much. It just has that rich, tangy flavor. After we add that, we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit of seasoning. I added some Old Bay seasoning. Of course we have to add that. And also a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. And we're just going to mix that in until it's fully incorporated. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. After that, go ahead and mix your eggs together and your other ingredients. Once you have a creamy mix, let's move on to the next step. We're going to add some panko breadcrumbs. Mix that in really good. For me, I preheated my oven on 350. After I seared it, I cooked it in the oven for a good 7 to 8 minutes. I just want to make sure everything is fully incorporated and cooked. But you can sear it. I would say use a flat bottom pan. Now, once that's all mixed together, go ahead and add your amazing crab meat. Mix that in really good. After we finish this, we're going to add a few things and then we're going to shape them into our crab cakes. I diced up some celery, give it a little bit of zing and crunch. Just mix that in. Now it's time to form our mixture into crab cakes. Now I did about 6 of these. You can create them into smaller circles if you like, or larger. It's up to you. Just watch your cooking time. So you're going to see me shape these. I'm going to continue to repeat this process and do the rest. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least an hour. You want that to sit and form. Now in a preheated pan, add some olive oil. We're going to go ahead and sear these bad boys. Next, I'm adding in the crab cakes. And with my problem, my pan I don't have a flat bottom pan. So it didn't sear as evenly as I'd like. So I placed mine in the oven afterwards. But like I said, you can just sear it for a good 5 minutes on medium heat and they should be fine. Now we're just going to repeat those same steps. Let those sear for a good 4 to 5 minutes and flip. And you can also make this sauce that I will be showing you all, or you can buy it in the store. They should have it. It's like a spicy mayo sauce or spicy sriracha sauce. So here I'm just adding mayo into a bowl. So simple. And then I'm going to add some sriracha. A little pinch of Old Bay seasoning. We're just going to mix that in. And then you put it in your refrigerator, get it a little cool. And that's your sauce for your crab cakes. It's so good. This is how it looked once I took it out the oven. Crispy on the top. Still moist on the inside. It's so good. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.